Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I am reviewing the Mchatte Portable Blender. I believe I am saying it right, but it's spelled Mchatte Portable Blender. Alright. I got it on Amazon for around $34. This is probably one of the cheaper in terms of price portable blenders that I found, and in my opinion, maybe one of the best. Okay, the reviews are really good for it, so I was like, let me just give it a try and see how it is. Alright, so, on the box you really can't tell everything because it's, mostly all in Chinese, right? But yeah, let's just open it up and I'll show you guys what's inside. So once you first open it up, you get a booklet which basically has instructions in Chinese as well as English, so that's good. You get a charger. It is USB to micro USB, which is good also. This is, I believe, a cap for maybe the blender once you blended it. You don't want it to be leaking over everywhere. This, just a sticker. So now let's pull it out. It's kind of long, so apologies if you guys can't fully see it right now. So, yep, that is basically it, let's open it up and let me show you guys. So I got this color, the blue color. I think this is the only color available currently, but, that's what it is. It's a light blue color, almost pastel. So the top is basically, alright, well let's check out the bottom first. The bottom is basically where the blender is. You can charge it, that's a charging port right there, right? And you can see the blades over here. You can see these two are the main blades. The one in the middles are the main ones. The other ones, these two big ones also. But yeah, that's the blade part. The top part, this is not glass, it is plastic, but it's a really thick plastic, right? So it's not gonna break or anything, just like that. Alright, the top part, which is pretty neat, is a cup. So it's, it has a rubber fitting, so that's why it was making that noise. But you can see it's a cup, so once you blended it, you can just pour it right in here, right? And I'm assuming it comes off from here, so to make cleaning up easier, right? Because you don't want to, your hand might not go all the way down. So that goes on top. Basically, that's pretty much it. Right, it is really small, portable, great for picnics. It's something I needed to go to picnics so I can, blend juices and fruits and make like smoothies and stuff. Really good. So, this is lightweight, so it probably, I haven't tried it, but it probably won't work that good on ice or something really hard, right? And I wouldn't recommend you trying it on that, because, the blades are fairly small compared to like a regular blender, and it is portable, so it's only giving out only so much power, but definitely not the amount that you would get when something is plugged into an outlet, right? So that's good, and I'll turn it on and show you guys, right? So you can see the number there. So there's a timer here, right? So yeah, basically that is pretty much it, right? You want to keep it closed when you're blending. You can basically take this anywhere you go and then start blending. All right. So overall, I've used this a few times. In my opinion, I think it's really good. I only tried it for foods because that's only what I need it for. It gets the job done. Really easy to use, really easy to charge, really easy to clean, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in a portable blender, and you've been doing your research, let me know what you guys think about this one as compared to other ones. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to help you guys out, and if you like the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.